In this video, let's talk about another way to get seen and discovered on TikTok, and that is through challenges and trending hashtags. So if you go to discover on the bottom,
This video is brought to you by Abi Pies Academy.
you will see a lot of things that are going on, like literally right now. So like this, see the first hashtag is winter break. So a lot of people are posting little things that they're doing in winter break, and it's a lot of funny stuff, entertaining. And you can jump on this. You can make a video that's like, the theme is winter break, just as long as you add your own unique flavor to it. And there's a lot of challenges, and daily there are trending hashtags. You just have to browse through them and think creatively. What can you do? What fits your brand? And if you can create a new video using these hashtags, they're trending. So that means you can get a lot of visibility by joining these. And right away, when they're trending, you'll be able to appear not on the homepage, obviously, because only the best videos sort of come up through that, but somewhere in there that when a lot of people are scrolling, they'll maybe see you. And of course, the more fans you have, the more people who follow you have, the more activity you'll get on your videos, and the easier it will be to get up to the top of TikTok. So it's not like you can get there immediately, but this is a traditional way to get extra visibility, especially if some hashtags you're noticing are just getting started, or some trends are just getting started, or some challenges are just getting going. Then jump on those so that you're not competing where there's already like a billion views. You're competing where there's a lot less views, and you have more chance to get discovered. And if you do have a good video, you can get it shared quite a bit, and hopefully get visibility that way.